In this video, I will show you how to see your liked videos on YouTube. If you liked some videos few days ago and now you want to see those videos, then it is very easy for us to find those videos because YouTube keep track of all of our liked videos. So let's find our liked videos. First of all, click on YouTube. Now click on this profile icon. Before we move forward, make sure that you are logged into your account. If you are logged into any different account, then make sure to switch to your own account that you were used while you liked those videos. After login, click on this profile icon and you will reach on this page. And here on this page, we can see a section called liked videos. And you will see a count of your liked videos. For example, I have liked 1073 videos. Just click on this section. And here you will see a complete list of all of our liked videos, and we can watch any of the video again. And with every video there is a 3-dot button, and we can see some more options here. There is a button called remove from liked videos. If we click on that, then this video will be removed from our liked videos. So in this way you can find all of your liked videos. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel.